Hello student, today we will do question number 7 from exercise test yourself of chapter 2 Concise Mathematics class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Question is Gopal has a cumulative deposit account and deposits rupees 900 per month for a period of 4 years. If he gets rupees 52,020 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest. Rate we have to find. So we will use formula this maturity value is equal to P into N plus P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So maturity value is here 52 020. P is 900. N is equal to 4 years means 48 plus 900, 48 into 49 divided by 2 into 12. R we have to find this 0 cut 12 to the 24, 24 to the 48. If we multiply this, so this will be 52 20 is equal to 0 plus 9 into 2 into 49 into R. That's it. We'll bring this side 52,020 minus 43,200 plus 9 into 2 is equal to 9 into 2 into 49 into R. If we subtract this 0, 2, 8, 8. This is equal to 9 into 2 into 49 into R. So R is equal to then 8820 divided by 9 into 2 into 49. It will cut by 9. Nine 81. This is 20 and 2 10. So this should be 10% per annum. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.